What's up, guys, in YouTube land? This is Sean Daniels coming to you with a video. One of my first videos about my car. Just got a 2012 Nissan Altima, 2012 Kia Optima. I've had a Nissan Altima for a while, so I'm kind of still used to saying that. But I'm trying to change the courtesy door lights on this Optima. There's not much on YouTube saying how you get this thing out. So what I did, this is what I had to do. If you take a look, I had to take the whole door panel off, and there is 2 screws. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can get it in focus. But there's 2 screws right there that you got to take loose to get this thing out. I got some new courtesy lights from eBay that shows the K5 emblem on the ground. Only problem is, guys, as you can see there, again, when I was wondering why the lights were never coming on. Now I see why. There's no wiring hooked up there. So there was no bulb, there was no wire, there's no harness, there's no nothing. Not sure what to do with this thing. I can show you what the courtesy light bulb looks like. Let's see here real quick. Yeah, this is the projector shadow, shows the K5 emblem, and here's my wiring harness right here to it. But like I said, I have nothing to wire to. So if you guys can comment, help me out on how to get this thing wired. I'm not an electrician or anything like that. So yeah, that's that. So if you got any suggestions on how I get this thing wired, put the comments in the link down in below, and help me out. I appreciate it. Peace out.